Hello, my dear students. Each and everyone. Hello, are you getting my voice? Kindly let me know. Yes, my dear student. Kindly let me know. Are you getting my voice? Each and everyone. Tell me fast. Tell me fast. Tell me fast. Are you getting my voice? Kindly let me know, my dear students. Yes. Very good evening once again, each and everyone. Yes, Rishabh Chanchal. Very good evening, my dear GW soldiers. Once again, very warm welcome in PW family, my dear. Today we are going to start revision through questions of the subject DBMS database, my dear students. So let's start. First of all, kindly let me know each and everyone audio video is clear. Kindly write down in chat box. So we are going to start today's topic revision through questions. Everyone tell me fast. Clear? So without wasting a time, we are going to start your series revision through questions of the subject DBMS, my dear student. So the question number 1 in front of you, my dear student, this one, given the following relational instance, and it is asking the number of non-trivial FDs are satisfied by the instance. How many number of non-trivial FDs are satisfied by these instances? Now you tell me, beta, what is the correct answer for this one? How many number of non-trivial FDs? And tell me fast. Do it, everyone. And first of all, please like the session and share with your friends so maximum student get the benefit. Yes, Mohit, good evening, good evening. Like the session, everyone. Mohammad Kaif, Rishabh, Chanchal, very good evening, very good evening. Yes, everyone, tell me fast. You know what is the meaning of non-trivial FD, my dear student? First of all, what is the meaning of non-trivial FD? Already I told what is the meaning of FD. Non-trivial FD means what? X tends to Y is non-trivial if and only if X intersection Y, phi, and X tends to Y must satisfy FD definition. What is the meaning of FD definition? Whenever X value repeat, corresponding Y value must be same. Yeah, you can say if T1.x equal to T2.x, then T1.y equal to T2.y must be same, my dear student. So what are the cases for non-trivial? X tends to Y, X determine Y, X determine Z, X determine YZ, and Y determine X, Y determine Z, Y determine XZ, Z determine X, Z determine Y, Z determine by XY, XY determines Z, YZ determine X, XZ determine Y. Now you tell me, good evening, I am fine, I am fine. Okay, Shiva, don't worry. Don't feel demotivated. Why you fear? Team Drona is here and your Vijay sir is here. Why you have a fear, beta? Don't worry about that. Now focus. Today also I am doing the revision with the help of the questions. And today definitely you will get very good varieties of questions. It's my promise to all of you. So first of all, please like the session and share with your friends and do it, everyone. Tell me fast. Yes, Kajal, Shiva, everyone tell me fast. Tell me fast. Which one is the non-trivial valid FD? Here X tends to Y. 4 tends to 4, 4 tends to 7. Wrong. X tends to Z. 4 tends to 9. That is also wrong. X tends to YZ. Fail. Y tends to X. Also fail. Y tends to Z. Fail. Y tends to XZ. It is also fail. Next, Z tends to X. 4 tends to 4. 9 tends to 7. 9 tends to 4. Z tends to Y. 4 pay 4. 4 pay 7. Wrong, my dear. Z tends to XY. 4 determine 4 4. 4 determine 4 7. Wrong. XY 7 4 7 7 4 9. YZ, my dear, YZ. 4 4 determine 4, 7 4, 4 7, 4 9, 9 9, unique. Yes. XZ means 4 4 determine 4, 4 4 determine 7, that is fail. So only one non-trivial FD is satisfied by the, yes, only one non-trivial FD is, that is YZ tends to X, my dear. YZ determine. Clear everyone? Each and everyone crystal clear? Yes, get easy CSE, long time no see beta. Long time no see. Now, I was waiting for you, each and every student in the Super 30 also. Now, what is the next question? Consider a relation R A, B, C, D, E with the following FDs. A determines B, C, D, E, B, C determine A, D, E, and D determine E. Then it is asking total number of super key present in the relation R. Tell me fast. And Shiva, yes, DJ, very good evening, very good evening. Shiva, don't feel demotivated. It's not only happen with you. Whatever, how many students giving the GATE examination, GATE 2023, even it was happen with me also, beta. So it happened. Don't feel, don't take so much of stress. Okay. Yes, Gaurav, good evening, good evening, good evening. So keep your motivation high and don't feel demotivated. First of all, one thing I want to tell you, beta, give your best. Everything will be best. Don't worry about that. Okay. Now tell me what is the right answer for this one. And my dear student, like the session also. Like the session also. Similar type of question asked in GATE 2022, but that was easy. I'm not saying GATE question always easy, but that was very easy. Now tell me answer. Beta, everyone do it fast. Here you can see what are the FD set are given. R, A, B, C, D, E. A determine B, C, D, E. B, C determine A, D, E. And D determine E. Okay. So first of all, we have to find the candidate key. So when we take the closure of A, what we are getting? A, B, C, D, E. So A is the candidate key. Directly we can say the first candidate key is A, my dear. First candidate key is A. And my dear student, I want to tell you one thing. Today also you will get very good varieties of question. Thank you, DJ. Thank you. God bless. Today also you will get very good varieties of question which you not get till now also. So your time will not waste. In short and sweet, I can say. So what are the prime attribute, my dear student? A. Now how we check? How we check if any X attribute? That's why I called Brahmastra. If any X attribute determine the prime attribute, then you can say multiple candidate keys are there. So here A is the prime attribute and you can see BC determined by ADE. So when you take the closure of BC, what you are getting? A, B, C, D, E, and we can't tell directly BC is a candidate key until unless we not decompose. So first we'll take the closure of B and C. When you take the closure of B and when you take the closure of C, not getting all attributes. So you can say BC is the candidate key. BC is the second candidate key, my dear. BC is the second candidate key. Now look at the board. Next prime attribute will be B comma C. Now B or C determined by only A, which I have already taken. Okay, my dear. Then how many super keys are there? How many super keys are there? Here candidate keys are A, B, C, D, E, and candidate keys are A and BC. Then number of super keys is how much? Number of super keys is how much, my dear student? You can see for A and for BC, this is for A and this is for BC and this is for ABC. So what is the super keys? Number of super keys is 2 की power 5 minus 1 plus 2 की power 5 minus 2 minus 2 की power 5 minus 3. 2 raised to power 4 plus 2 की power 3 minus 2 की power 2. 16 plus 8 minus 4. 20 super keys is the right answer, my dear. 20 super keys is the right answer. Hope so you get it. Hope so you get it. Why? You already know कि with the help of A, how many? 2 की power 4. With the help of BC, how many? 1, 2, 3, and you take A and BC 2 times, so you have to subtract 1 time. So what happened? You know the properties of set theory also. A union B is what? NA plus NB minus N A intersection B. Clear everyone? So here number of super keys is asking. So 20 is the right answer for this question, my dear. 20 is the right answer for this question. Crystal clear everyone? Write down in chat box everyone. Thank you Mohammad Kaf. Now solve this question. Solve this question, my dear student, and please like this session everyone. Consider the following relation with a given FDs are A, B, C, D, E. FD set are A tends to BC, CD tends to E, B tends to D, and E tends to A. If a relation is decomposed into R1 ABC and R2 ADE, then you tell me what happened. First of all, acknowledge everyone about the till now. And those students not like the channel session till now, please like it. Chanchal wrong. Everyone do it. I am giving the time. Let's do it. Okay. Please do it. And like this session also, my dear. Okay, Chanchal. Okay. And here you will get new questions. Don't worry about that. Tell me fast, my dear. Muhammad Asif, wrong. Kajal, it is a MSQ beta. It's a MSQ. Tell me fast. Sir, first of all, can you please tell me the concept of lossy or lossless join and dependency preserving? First of all, I'm talking about lossy join. When it is lossy, here lossy join and here lossless join. Let a relation R is decomposed into sub-relation R1 and R2. Okay. So, if and R1 join R2 is lossless if and only if, point number 1, whenever you do the union, you will get all attribute of relational schema R. Okay. Second point is what? Whenever you take intersection, either you are getting R1, whenever you take the intersection closure attribute, either you are getting R1 or R2. And how you say कि common attribute of R1 and R2 either a super key of R1 or super key of R2. either a super key of R1 or a super key of R2. Clear everyone? This is the concept for lossless join. Now, whenever we are talking about the lossy, so first one is what? Common attribute R1 and at R2 closure. Neither you are getting R1 nor you are getting R2. Means not a super key of R1 and nor super key of R2. First point. Okay. Second point is what? If you decompose a relation A, B, C, D, E, F in such a manner, R1 is A, B, C, D, R2 is C, D, E. That is also lossy. Why? Because attribute F missing. You can conclude this point here also. What? When you join, you are not getting, when you take the union, you are not getting F. When you take the union, you are not getting F, my dear. Third point is what? If you decompose a relation in such a manner like R1AB and R2CD, then it will be lossy because no common attribute, my dear. Because no common attribute. This is the concept of lossy and lossless. Kindly like the channel. And what about the dependency preserving? You know the concept of dependency preserving. Ki whenever you take the union of all FD sets in each and every subrelation, if you are getting original FD set, then we can say dependency preserving. Dependency preserving, my dear student. Clear? Now let's check. What are the decomposition? R1 is ABC, R2 is ADE. What is the common attribute? A. So when you take the closure of A, what you are getting? A, B, C, blah, 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 blah. Yes, you are getting more also, but we will stop. Why? Because we are getting a super key of any of the relation. So here super key of R1. Or when you do the union, R1 ABC union R2 ADE, then what you are getting? A, B, C, D, E. You are getting all attribute of relational schema R. First condition satisfy, second condition satisfy, then you can declare it is a lossless join. First point is clear? Lossless join. So B is the correct answer. Most of the students saying A is the correct. That is completely wrong, my dear. Now, you know domain. What I am saying. You write R1 ABC and you write R2 ADE. Whatever FDs are satisfied here, you can directly write A tends to BC, preserve here. E tends to A, preserve here. Yes or no? E tends to A, preserve here. Now you can see, my dear, you can see here B tends to D and CD tends to E. B tends to D and CD tends to E. Whenever we are talking about B tends to D, B is preserve here and D is preserve here. Okay. So here you can see R1 is ABC, R2 is ADE. Please try to understand what I want to say here. In which FD satisfying? A tends to BC here and E tends to A here. Now we are discussing about the B tends to D and CD tends to E. First, I am checking about the B tends to D. B tends to D, my dear. So you can see here B is present here and D is present here. So directly it is not preserved. Now what is the case? What is the case is how we check dependency preserving or not? In each sub relations, you take the closure of all attributes and check whatever FDs Again I repeat, you take the closure of each and every attribute and in that domain means in that relational schema or whatever attribute like A, B, C, and whatever FDs are preserving, you can write all these FDs. Or another approach is what you can see here, B is here, D is here, and Vijay sir is here, and what is the common attribute? A. So for checking B tends to D, if we are getting B tends to A and A tends to D, then we can say na B tends to D is indirectly preserved in R1 and R2 indirectly. So for that, what we have to do? We have to take the closure of B. When you take the closure of B, whatever FDs are A tends to BC, CD tends to E, B tends to D, E tends to A. Okay. So when you take the closure of B, B say B say D only. You are not getting A. So what you can say? Dependency not preserve. Now I know you are thinking, ki sir, we are getting D, sir. But my dear, B is present in R1 and D is present in R2, beta. This is a different sub-relations. So what is the conclusion? Dependency not preserving. My dear student, dependency not preserving. So what is the right answer for this one? It is a lossless join and dependency not preserving. Crystal clear, everyone? If it is crystal clear, kindly let me know. Write down in. Thank you, Gaurav. It will be also. Don't worry about that. It is also better. Don't worry. Just start. It is also awesome session. Don't worry. You will get good varieties of questions. Now let me know this one. And get easy CSE. Beta, I was waiting for you in each and every session. Sri Ram Sharma, very good evening. Tell me fast. Consider a relational schema R with FD set AB tends to CD, D tends to A. What is the highest normal form of R? Which highest normal form is satisfied? And once again, my dear student, and really listen. What I am telling, Team Drona, listen everyone. Team Drona, always with you, my dear. Because some students saying ki sir, we are forgetting the concept. We saw lots of questions, sir, but we are forgetting the concept. So please start a revision series also. Maha revision. So I will come with Maha revision also. I will cover in that Maha revision. I will explain the topic, not the question. Only example we will take. So don't worry. I will. Is it required? Is it required to complete brush up the subject in a one session? All theories, all important points, whatever important point and formula is not in DBMS. Is it required? Yes or no, my dear? Yes or no? Tell me fast. So Monday is 23rd, na? Monday. Again, I am saying Monday on 23rd Jan. I will come in Maha revision also, in which I will explain each and every thing at 7 p.m. beta. 7 p.m. I will take from beginning to last each and every topic, and this session is long. We will study. Don't worry. Okay. So, and you will get the PDF also, you just revise. So right now, why I am telling this, ki right now no need to waste your time to take to do the revision of DBMS. Don't worry, I will take care for DBMS and COA. Okay, bacha? Just this information I want to share with you. Ki yes, I will take. And one student, Chanchal, your answer is wrong, beta. Answer is wrong. Yes, complete. Not it is. It is not a 2 hour, 3 hour session. It is a big session. Okay. So we will cover each and every important point. Theoretical, no numerical, because for a numerical point of view, we done super 30. We are doing revise through questions. So in that we discuss. Don't worry, bacha. And you will get the PDF also. Don't worry. Now, bacho, please solve this question and like this session. If not like till now, please like this session, bacha. What are the candidate keys? What are the candidate keys for this question? Yes. Listen, everyone. What is the candidate key for this one? A, B, C, D, R, A, B, C, D, A, B tends to C, D, and D tends to A. Okay. D tends to A. So what is the candidate key? First we'll take the closure of AB. What we are getting? A, B, C, D. Now you can see neither from A nor from B getting all attribute. So what we can say, AB is my candidate key. AB is my candidate key, my dear student. So what are the prime attributes? Here prime attribute are A comma B. Now we have to check. So here you can see D determined by D determines A. So you can replace this A with the help of D. What you are getting? A, B, C, D. We can't say directly until unless we take the closure of B and D. So when you take the closure of D, what you are getting? Only DA, not all attribute. So next candidate key is what? DB. Next candidate key is what? DB, my dear. So D is also added. So there are two candidate keys, AB and DB, my dear. Now come to that part. Here candidate key is what? AB and DB. AB and DB. Clear, everyone? No, Chanchal, you have written some mistake also. Please watch it with your chat. AB and DB. So what is the prime attribute, beta? What is the prime या key attribute? A comma B comma D. So first of all, we check for 2NF. Check for 2NF, my dear. So how we check for 2NF? We have to check for partial dependency. Check partial dependency is there or not. So what is the meaning of partial dependency? Proper subset of candidate key to non key. So AB is the complete candidate key. D is the subset, but A is prime attribute. So here no partial dependency. R is in 2NF. Now check for 3NF. How you check? Either X is a super key. In X tends to Y. In X tends to Y, either X is a super key or Y is key or prime attribute. Yes or no? Y is key or prime attribute, my dear. So you can see here in AB tends to CD, AB is super key. In D tends to A, D is not super key, but A is prime attribute, my dear. A is prime attribute. So it is in 3NF. Yes, it's in 3NF. R is in 3NF. Now we are check for BCNF. So to check for BCNF, what we have to check in x tends to y, x must be super key. So my dear student, you can see here D tends to A, D is not super key. D is not super key. So you can conclude not in BCNF. Not in BCNF, my dear, not in BCNF. So what is the asking? What is the highest normal form of R? 1NF yes, 2NF yes, 3NF yes. Because BCNF fail हो गया. Clear everyone? So 3NF is the highest normal form satisfied by the above FD set for this relational schema. Crystal clear? So my dear student, we can say here C is the right answer. C is the right answer. Crystal clear everyone? Crystal clear? Now solve next question बच्चों. I promise ना, listen, I promise ना कि you will get different varieties of questions. You will get different varieties of questions. Those student miss any session, then those student attend every session also, they also find some new questions also. Different varieties of concept. Now solve this one. Here I discuss ki how to check normal form. How to check normal form? I told you for 2NF you have to check partial dependency. Partial dependency. What is the meaning of partial dependency, sir? What is the meaning of partial dependency? Proper subset of candidate key to non-key attribute. That is called partial dependency. This is not happen for 2NF. And for a 3NF, transitive dependency. No transitive dependency and no partial dependency. What is the meaning of transitive? Non-key attribute say non-key attribute, that will not happen. Clear everyone? Now solve this one. Solve it, my dear student. Everyone solve it, please, fast. Keep your josh high, everyone. This is a very good question. What is asking? Consider a relational schema R, only one time R. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J with the following FDs. AB tends to C, ABD tends to EF, AD tends to GH, A tends to I, H tends to J. If a relation is decomposed into lossless join and dependency preserving 2NF decomposition, then what is the minimum number of relation required? Solve everyone. This is a good question. Please solve everyone. Yes, everyone. What is the correct answer for this one? Everyone. It is asking about the 2NF decomposition. Yes, everyone. Tell me fast. What is the candidate key? What is the candidate key, my dear students? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. AB tends to C. BD tends to EF. AD tends to GH. A tends to I. H tends to J. What is the candidate key? Wrong, beta, wrong. Candidate key for this question is ABD. You know, this is the back exercise question of any of the reference book, Korth, Nawate, Raghurama Krishna, ya Ulman. This is the back exercise question. I am come with this question, bachcho. Kindly solve this question. Back exercise or example of the one of the foreign author book. So what is the prime non-key attribute is there? Non-key attribute या non-prime. C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. These are the non-key attribute. Now for the 2NF decomposition, first of all check it is in 2NF or not. Check it is a 2NF or not. And how we check? Proper subset of कैंडिडेट की से नॉन की एट्रीब्यूट. Proper subset of candidate key to non key attribute. Now you can see here, my dear, you can see here what is the candidate key? ABD. So you can see here AB tends to C. Achha, first of all, please tell me how many partial FDs are there? How many number of keys partial FDs are there? How many number of partial FDs are there? Tell me fast. Chanchal, Mohammad Kaif, Kajal, Gaurav, SIMP, Shri Ram, Kamal, tell me fast. How many number of partial FDs? Number of partial FDs. Beta Mohammad Kaif, you are saying 6. Arre, 6 is not a total FDs. Right now, I'm not asking about the decomposition. I'm not saying ki apply any rule, decomposition rule. By this total FDs are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 FDs are there. Out of 5, in this out of 5, how many partial FDs are there? My question is very simple. Right now, I am not asking about the number of tables. I am asking about the number of partial FDs. So, bachcho, the answer will be 4. Why? Because you can see AB tends to C, BD tends to EF, AD tends to GH, and A tends to I. These 4 are partial dependencies. These 4 are partial dependencies. My question is different, na? I am asking about the partial dependency. I am asking about the partial dependency, my dear. H tends to J is not a partial dependency. Okay. So here 4 partial FDs are there. So not in 2NF. Not in 2NF. Then what we do, my dear? We will do 2NF decomposition. Now you tell me how we do the 2NF decomposition. First of all, write down the FDs. AB tends to C, BD tends to EF. Yes or no, my dear? AD tends to GH. Keep your Josh is always high. A tends to I and H tends to J. And whatever partial FD, how we do decompose? Yes, Alu explain. Very good evening. Very good evening. First of all, please like the session, everyone. Now, how many partial FDs are there? How we do the 2NF decomposition? Whatever FD create a partial dependency, take a closure and make a separate table. That is the thumb rule. So, AB tends to C, na? So what you do? Take a closure of AB. What we are getting? A, B, C, I. Okay. Second one is BD. BD closure is what? B, D, E, F. Third one is AD. Take a closure of AD. What we are getting? A, D, G, H and A to I and J. Next one is A. A tends to I. Clear everyone? Please put your pen down. It's a very good question. You will enjoy. Believe me, it's a very good question. I want to tell something here. Please listen to me carefully. Now, mean to say here, Vijay sir, here you are telling कि 4 relation is required. Here you are telling कि 4 relation is required. Okay, we are trust on you. Let's see what happened. B, D, E, F, A, D, G, H, I, J, A, I. First of all, you can see here कि when you try to join, it will be lossy. You will get spurious tuple. Spurious tuple means extra tuple. You will get spurious tuple, my dear student, because it will be lossy join. Why? There is a no common attribute. You can do it. You will not get the original candidate key, and D also you will not get. So what we have to do? We have to maintain original candidate key also. First of all, this point is crystal clear. Now, right now my work is not complete. Please listen. Here AB tends to C. Okay. Here BD tends to EF. Here AD tends to GH. And H tends to J. And here A tends to I. And we taken an oath till 3NF lossless join and dependency preserving must be guaranteed. On a stamp paper it will be guaranteed, my dear. So here you can see, my dear, here you can see I am using different color pen. ये ले लेता है. Here you can see, is it visible? This visible? Here you can see A tends to I. A tends to I. Clear? Again it create a partial dependency. Then what we will do? Beta, what we will do here A, B, C, I. What we will do? We again split R, A, B, C and A, I also. Okay. A, B, C, here A, B tends to C and here A tends to I. Whenever you take a closure and make a separate table, it doesn't mean it is in 2NF. Again, you have to check is there is a again partial dependency exist or not. You can see here in these two table, one is this one, another one is this one. When you take a closure and make a separate table, again you are not getting 2NF or is in 2NF. You again getting partial dependency, my dear, partial dependency. Then what we will do? A, D, G, H, J and A, I. So total how many relations? How we write? Total 5 relation are required. First one is ABD. One of the candidate key R1. Second R2 ABC, in which AB tends to C preserve. Next BDEF, here BD tends to EF. Are you getting this pictorial representation na? Next ADGHJ, AD tends to GH and S tends to J, and next AI. Mean to say we will cover this one. We will take only once na. So how many relation? 1, 2, 3, 4 and you can say 5. You will take only one na, 5. Then how many relations are required? 5. R1, R2, R3, R4, R5. Acha, tell me one thing. For a 3NF, this is 2NF. How much relation? 5. Now in the same question, if I am asking about the 3NF, then for a 3NF, what will happen? For a 3NF, 6. Very good. Same table. You can see here only one table here decompose. Only one table here decompose. AD tends to GH and H tends to J. Clear? These 6 table is required, and lossless and dependency preserving also. Clear everyone? And for a BCNF, BCNF also 6 table work. Clear everyone? Each and every one crystal clear. 6 table is required for a 3NF, and this relation is also in BCNF also. 6 relation for 3NF. But it is asking about the 2NF. So 2NF ke liye what is the correct answer? 5 is the right answer. 5 is the right answer for 2NF. Crystal clear? Kindly write down in chat box everyone. Kindly write down in chat box if are you getting. This is a very good question, because what happen na, most of the time student thinking ki whenever we take a closure, then we are getting that relation is in 2NF. Partial dependency wale closure, then you are getting. No my dear, no. When you take again, you have to check is there is again partial dependency exist or not. Clear everyone? Each and every one crystal clear? Tell me fast my dear. Now solve this one. Solve this one my dear students, solve this one. Everyone, why you are lethargic in the afternoon, in the evening also? Right now complete day is remaining. Why you are lethargic? Why you are not acknowledging in chat box? What happened my dear? I told you this PDF will be provided to you in a Gatewala channel in PW app. Then why you are lethargic? Kindly acknowledge everyone. Acknowledge. Mohammad Kaif, Chanchal, Gaurav, Mari. Yes, everyone, tell me fast. Tell me what is the right answer for this one. It is asking consider relational schema A PQRS with two set of FDs. FD set is given. FD set is given. P tends to Q. PQ tends to R. PR tends to S. Q tends to R. And Q tends to P. Here FD set. So how we check beta? First of all, we have to check F cover G. What beta? F cover G. And second, we have to check G cover F. How we write? Write down the. Clear hai bachcha? Tell me what is the correct answer. Each and everyone tell me. First of all, I will explain the concept also. F cover G means what and G cover F means what? देखिए बच्चा, F cover G means what? Very simple. F cover all the FDs of G. This is the very simplest definition. Or in a technical term, all GFDs logically implied in FFD set. In FFD set. This is the meaning of F cover G, and G cover F means what? First, very simple definition. G cover all the FDs of F. or you can say all FFDs logically implied in GFD set. Clear everybody? Each and everyone crystal clear? Now first of all we have to check F cover G. So what we do, we write each and every FD of G. PQ tends to S, PR tends to Q, PR tends to Q, Q tends to S, and QS tends to R. Now you have to check. And whenever we are talking about G cover F, G cover F. So what we do, write down the FFD. P tends to Q, PQ tends to R, PR tends to S, Q tends to R, and Q tends to P, my dear. Q tends to R and Q tends to P. Now first of all, please check it. What you have to do, you take the closure of PQ in which my dear, in FFD set, my dear, FFD set. So when you take the closure of PQ, what you are getting? PQRS, yes. When you take the closure of PR, PRQS, getting. When you take the closure of Q, QRP, PQ tends to R and PR tends to S, getting. When you take the closure of QS, QSRP also, getting. F cover G is true, my dear. F cover G is true. Very good, Shri Ram, very good. Now G cover F. When you take the closure of P in G, then what you are getting? PQRS. Very good. When you take the closure, yes, tell me which FD wallet? Which FD wallet? Tell me fast. G doesn't cover F. Very good. Which FD wallet? Tell me fast. Which FD wallet? Tell me fast. G cover F. Tell me fast. Which FD wallet? First of all, what we have to do? G cover F में write down the all FDs of F. P tends to Q, PQ tends to R, PR tends to S, Q tends to R, QR tends to P. Now take a closure of P in GFD set. When you take the closure of P in a GFD set, yes, very good. You are getting only P. This is not. When you take the closure of PQ, then what you are getting? PQSR. Yes, okay. When you take the closure of PR, what happened? PRQS, yes. When you take the closure of Q also, what you are getting? Only Q closure in G, QSR, my dear, QSR. This one satisfy. When you take the closure of Q, QSR, that's all. So this one is also false. Acha, I change the question. Let's suppose I am asking how many FDs violate the equality condition. How many FDs violate the equality condition? Now what is the answer? How many FDs violate the equality condition? Tell me fast. How many FDs violate the equality? The F equivalent G. How many FDs? Like, let's suppose in GATE 2023, it is not asking ki F cover G is true, G cover F is true. It is asking ki how many FDs are violating the equivalent. 2 FDs. And if it is asking MSQ ki which FDs are violating, so answer is P tends to Q and Q tends to P. PQ and QP. Yes. So here right now asking which one is the correct. So A is the right answer, beta. F cover G is true. F cover G is true. F cover G is true. But if I am asking ki how many FDs violating, 2 FDs are violating. PQ and Q tends to P. Crystal clear, everyone? Kindly acknowledge in chat box. So we'll start the next one. Today also in transaction I am coming with very good questions. Don't worry about that. Now solve this one. It is the MSQ, my dear. It is the MSQ, my dear. Enjoying everyone? Today I don't know why you are lethargic. Why you are lethargic? Why your josh is not high? Your josh must be very high till gate examination. Everyone, थकना नहीं है. Okay? Tell me fast. Everyone, everyone, everyone. Tell me fast. What is the right answer for this one? Mohammad Kaif Alam, wrong. Wrong. Your answer is wrong, Mohammad Kaif. Now correct. Acha, there is a no second chance in gate exam. Are you getting my point? There is a no second chance in gate exam. So please don't do this type of mistake. Day after, before yesterday I told not only you, everyone, don't do this silly mistake, beta. Don't do. Try to avoid these silly mistakes. Now listen. What I am telling. What are the keys? FDs are given here. FDs are RS से T, RS से U, U to R, ST to U, ST to V. And what is the relation? R, ST, U, V. Okay. So first candidate key, when we check, take the closure of R, S, you are getting R, S, T, U, and S, T, U, S, T, T से V. Now we will check first either from R or from S. Are you getting? No, sir. So what is the first candidate key, my dear? What is the first candidate key? RS is the first candidate key. RS is the first candidate key. Yes, you have to do these things. So what is the prime attribute, my dear? What is the prime attribute? Prime attribute will be R comma S. R comma S. Now you check here. Why you fear? You check here. You can see here, my dear, R determined by U. So you can check US. When you write US, you are getting RSTUV. Don't say directly US is the candidate key until unless you will not check of decomposition. When you check for U, then what you are getting? Only UR. UR. So next candidate key is what? US, my dear. US. And U will be added here. R work has been done. Yes. U determined by ST. And RS also, RS already taken. So ST determined by U. So you can replace this U with the help of ST. Yes या no? Yes या no? ST. Clear hai? Yes, yes, yes. So ST UVR. So next candidate key is ST. You are getting 3 candidate keys. What are the 3 candidate keys, my dear student? What are the 3 candidate keys? RS, US and TS. And prime attribute is RSU and T. Now check for. Clear hai everyone? Clear hai? Now listen. Check for 2NF. Subset. RS is the complete key. RS is the complete key. ST is the complete key. ST is the complete key. Sir. U is the subset. U is the subset. But R is prime attribute. So it is in 2NF. Or all candidate key, it is in 1NF also. Now check for 3NF. What I told for a 3NF, either X is a super key or Y prime attribute. कितना simple है? It is so simple, my dear. Why you fear? Vijay sir is here. It is so simple. Believe me. So here you can see RS is the super key, super key, super key, super key. R is the prime. It is in 3NF also. Now we are talking about the BCNF. In BCNF, only one condition, X must be super key in every X tends to Y. So here you can see in U tends to R, U is not super key. So it is not in BCNF. So what is asking? Which are the correct? Which normal form is satisfying? So 1NF, 2NF and 3NF. So A, B, C is the correct answer for this question. Each and every one are you getting? Tell me fast. Tell me fast, my dear. Clear hai? Very good, Sham. God bless you, Sham. Yes. Next question. Similar sort of question. It is a MCQ. It is a MCQ. Do it everyone fast. Then I will start the transaction also. Do it fast, my dear. And those students not like the channel till now, kindly like it everyone. And please, each and everyone, you have to give the answer in the chat box. Comment box may reply. Please everyone. Okay. Do it fast. Here, relation is given R, A, B, C, D, E with the set of FDs. AB tends to C, C tends to D, D tends to E, E tends to A and D tends to B. And asking what is the highest normal form? What is the highest normal form, my dear friend, is satisfied by the above relation? Tell me everyone. And please, again I am saying, kindly like the channel and share with your friends also, my dear students. Yes, yes, yes. Tell me fast. What is the right answer? Gate EG CSE, Mohammad Kaif, Gaurav, Shyam, Chanchal, Komal. What is the candidate key? First of all, you tell me what are the candidate keys. What are the candidate keys? Here candidate keys are AB, EB and D and C. Okay. So we can say prime attribute are A, B, C, D, E. If all attribute are prime, then it is in 3NF. 2NF में भी है, 1NF में भी है, but it is asking about the my dear student, it is asking about the highest normal form. Highest normal form, because whenever you check for 2NF, no partial dependency. So 2NF, yes. Whenever you check for 3NF, so what is happening, my dear? Either X is a super key, yes, 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 yeah, A is a prime attribute. So yes, it's in 3NF also. But whenever we check BCNF, then which FD violate BCNF? E tends to A. Violate BCNF. So not in BCNF. So my dear student, what is the right answer for this? For this, the right answer will be B is the right answer, because it is not a MSQ and it is asking the highest normal form satisfied by the above relation. Highest normal form satisfied by the above relation. Crystal clear everyone? Crystal clear everyone? Tell me fast. Acknowledge please everyone. Today you not acknowledge na? Next question in front of you. This is the question of transaction topic. Schedule is given: T1 read P, T2 write P, T2 write Q, T3 write Q, T1, T1 commit, T2 commit, T3 commit. Which of the following is correct about the schedule S? Conflict serializable, view serializable, not serializable, irrecoverable. Tell me fast. And let's suppose it is MSQ. Let's suppose it is MSQ. Okay. Now do it. Do it. You will enjoy better this question. Tell me fast. What is the correct answer for this one? Check it once again. Check it once again. Let's take it. Each and every one. T1, T2, T3. Okay. Listen. Read P. What is mentioned? T2 में write P. Third one T2 में write Q. Okay. Fourth one T3 में write Q. Okay. And T1 में write Q. Clear everyone? Next T1 में commit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 we written for 5 transaction. Then T1 में commit. After that T2 में commit. After that T3 में commit. Clear everyone? Okay. You are getting wrong beta. Now listen. First of all, we check it is conflict or not. So whenever we have to check, what we do, first of all we copy this one. Now listen. Here read P. Here write P. So there is a one ace from T1 to T2. Here write Q. Here. Okay. This one done. Read P say write P. Now this one. Check for this one. Write P say any age? No. Write Q say T2 से T3 and T2 से T1 also. Here T3 से T1. You can see here cycle is exist. So you know NC. Cycle not conflict. It is asking about the correct. Conflict तो नहीं है. No my dear. Conflict is not. Okay. Just wait. Mohammed Kef, just wait. Conflict is not there, my dear. Conflict is not there. Now we have to check for view. What is the condition for a view? We have a 3 condition. Initial read, final write, and third one write read. Most of the students say ki sir we having a problem in this. We having a problem in this ki sir how to find. So I told ki there are 3 transactions. First we select dummy. What is the meaning of dummy? If there are 3 transactions, then what are the orders? What are the serial schedule? T1 T2 T3, T1 T3 T2, T2 T1 T3. My dear, it's my gut feeling ki this time you will get one question from this topic of 2 marks. T3 T2 T1. Okay, so there are 6 equivalent schedules, 6 possibilities. So which one we have to start? For that purpose, we have to select dummy. Sir, what is the meaning of dummy? Dummy means what? Out of 6, neglecting some options. And sir, how we neglect the some options? By watching these conditions. Pehli condition, first condition, initial read. Which transaction perform initial read? T1. T1. So these 4 is not in the list. These 4 is not in the list of nomination in Oscar awards. Hai na? Okay. Now, initial read means we are getting 2 options now. T1, T2, T3, T1, T3, T2. Now, which transaction perform final write? Final write means in the last, which transaction perform write operation on data item Q or P? So, T1. So, bacha, and you have to start from this one, na? So, when you pick this one, then what happened? Final write performed by T3. So, final write is fail. So, it is not conflict and not view also. Are you getting, beta? Are you getting? Let's suppose I make it beta. Here T1, T2, T3, read P, write Q, write P, write Q, write Q. Initial read okay. Initial read pass. Yes, T1. But whenever we are talking about final write, it is fail. It is fail beta, because final write here this one and here T1. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Sir, T3 can perform before T1. Yes. Clear, Mohammed Kaf? Now, so neither conflict nor view, not serializable. Now we have to check for recoverable part. What is the meaning of recoverable part? Which transaction perform write? Write, we have to see write. Here write P and here write Q. After that, there is any read operation. There is any read operation, mean to say uncommitted read or dirty read is there? No, na. What is the recoverable schedule definition? Whatever recoverable schedule definition, if I perform a write and you are reading, then my commit or rollback appear before your commit. Then it is the meaning of recoverable, na. And what is the meaning of cascadeless? What is the meaning of cascadeless? After write, commit or rollback, then read is allowed. Mean to say no uncommitted read. No uncommitted read, beta. Clear everyone? So here you can see after write there is a no read. So it is a recoverable. Cascadeless as well. Cascadeless as well. But what is the Kavi is asking? Kavi is saying irrecoverable. That is wrong. So what is the correct answer, my dear? Why you fear? Vijay sir is here. What is the correct answer? Only C is the correct answer, my dear. Only C is the correct answer. Hope so you get it. Those students are getting, kindly write down in chat box. If any doubt, kindly let me know. Otherwise, write down in chat box. Everyone. Why you are lethargic, yaar? Please write down in chat box. Now, next question. It's a very good question. Solid. The T2 depend on T1 commit. Shyam, what you want to say? I will discuss once again. Recoverable and cascadeless. Don't worry. Because I have next question, Shyam. Okay. Or if T2 depend on T1, then T2 before T1. Yes. Correct. Yes, Rishikesh, welcome. Everyone solve this one. This is a very good question. everyone, tell me, what is the correct statement? This schedule is strict to PL, conflict serializable in 2PL. Tell me fast. It's a very good question, believe me. Tell me fast. It's a little bit time consuming, but don't worry. You have a time. I'm giving the time. Please solve this one. Everyone. What is the correct answer for this one? Mohammad Kaif. बेटा wrong. गौरव काजल मोहम्मद कैफ wrong. Wrong बच्चों, wrong. This is a very good question. Tell me fast. B is not the correct option. Okay, I'm doing. May I start? May I start, everyone? May I start? We are writing here each and every data. W1x, W2x, W3x, 1, 2, 3, W1y, W2y, W3y. Okay. Now, current start. Each and every one. Current start. Directly I'm writing here T1, T2, T3. W1x, W2x, W3x. Is it visible again? No. I'm writing here W1, W2, W3, W1y, W2y, W3y. This is the sequence ना. Now tell me what is the correct answer you are getting. Conflict आ रहा सभी के? Each and everyone, are you getting conflict? Yes, very good. देखिए बच्चा. Just wait. T1, T2, T3. We have to check. Right X है. After that T1 से T2, T1 से T3. This work done. T2 से T3. Yes. T3 से nothing. T1 से T2, T3. Done. T2 से T3. Yes. So this is not a cycle. What is the order? T1, T2, T3. So it is a conflict is serializable. Conflict serializable, first of all. Okay. Now schedule is conflict serializable. Only you can neglect right now C option. Now we have to check 2PL about 2PL. Now listen, I told, listen everyone, I told in crash course, if you are able to apply 2PL, if you are able to apply 2PL, then definitely, again, hello Charlie 123, hello Charlie 123, if you are able to apply 2PL, then definitely it is conflict serializable. But if it is conflict serializable, it may or may not in 2PL, first of all. Okay, all 2PL ensure conflict serializability, but conflict serializability not ensure about the 2PL. It may or may not. In that exercise, crash course, hello Charlie 123, in crash course I told ki in this I am applying 2PL, trying to applying 2PL and convert into conflict serializable, convert into trying, है ना? Now listen, here I am going to start applying the lock. Everyone put your pen down. Here I am taking a lock on, exclusive lock on data item X and performing write X. Okay. Now now it required a exclusive lock on X. So I request, but what happened? Wait. What happened? Wait. So what we done, my dear, what we done, we have to complete growing phase. So what we done, we taken a exclusive lock on Y and release, yeah, revoke, yeah, unlock, we can say. Unlock exclusive lock on data item X. Okay. Now listen everybody. Now it request for exclusive lock on data item X. It is granted and it is performing write X. Okay. यहाँ तक okay है. Now please listen. Listen everyone. Schedule is a time order sequence. Now it request for exclusive lock on data item X. But what happened? Deny. Why? Because why it is deny? Why it is denied? Because this lock on data item X, please try to understand. This is a very important concept. Try to understand. This lock on data item X already taken by T2, and T2 will not release until complete its growing phase. And for completing the growing phase, it required a lock on data item Y also. And right now Y, listen each and every sentence carefully. Right now Y on with transaction T1. So T1 will release, then T2 will get. So when T1 want to release, T1 want to perform write Y on this data item. Write Y on data, write operation on data item Y. So if we perform, then this order is not maintained, because first of all, what the schedule say? Ki first of all T3 perform write X, then T1 perform write Y. Then T1 perform write Y. But if you want to perform write Y first, then this schedule, the snapshot of the transaction not maintain. Why? Again I repeat. Hello Charlie 123, hello Charlie 123. Listen carefully. What I am saying, till here each and everything is okay. Okay, we preserve the, maintain the order. This one. Now it required a lock on X. Okay, right now lock on X is hold by T2. Why the T2 will not give? Because T2 समझिएगा बच्चों, T2 not complete its growing phase. When the T2 complete its growing phase, when T2 get the lock on data item Y, and lock on data item Y hold by T1, and T1 when finish the work, then it will release. So if the T1 start the finishing the work on data item Y, then what happen? What is the problem? Ki before T3 performing write X, T1 performing write Y. So whatever schedule order is na, that is not maintained. So this snapshot of the transaction, this sequence 2PL not applied, not 2PL applied. Okay, so what is the correct answer for this, my dear? Schedule is conflict serializable but not in 2PL. Each and everyone chamka, everyone kindly let me know please. It's a very good question. Believe me, it's a very good question. Clear everyone? Now solve next one. Solve next one beta. Solve next one. I told na, definitely you will get each and everything. So this is the same question. It's a repeat. Now solve this one. Solve this one beta. Yes. Same. Solve this one. There are 3 transactions. Solve this one. 3 transactions. T1, T2 and T3. Read C, read A, read C, read A, write A, read B, and R2B, R2C, write B, then read B, then write A, after that write C, then write A, then write C, write B, commit of T2 first, then T3 first, and after that T1. Okay, now you tell me what is the correct answer. You tell me what is the correct answer beta. Tell me what is the correct answer for this question. Each and everyone tell me. Bacho, first of all tell me, today also you are getting some new questions, some beautiful concept or not? Tell me fast. Each and everyone tell me. Today also you are getting some good questions. Yes or no? Kindly acknowledge in the chat box why you are lethargic today. So bacho, again I will wait for your comments in the offline when it will be uploaded. Mohammad Kaif, and thank you everyone, those student comments yesterday COA and before yesterday DBMS video, and those student not comment till now, please comment it. And in this video also I am waiting for you. Now solve this one. I am waiting for your comments, my dear student. Okay, now first of all what we have to do, I don't know what is the order. Listen, read C, after that write C is there. Yes, T1, T2 and T3 also. Read A, after that write A. Yes, already taken. Write A, after that read A, already taken. Read B, after that whatever, already taken. Read B, after that write B. Yes, T2 say T3. Read C, after that yes, already T2 say T3. Read B say yes, already taken. Read B, after that no. Write A, T1 say T2 already taken. Right C already taken, this one already taken. So what we are getting? T1, T2, T3. You can say conflict serializable. Conflict serializable. It is not a MSQ beta. It is not a MSQ. Conflict serializable आ गया. Yes. Now we have to check about the recoverability. Recoverability. So how you check recoverable? How you check recoverable? Is there is a write then read? Write then read? Is there is a write then read? Is there is a write then read? Yes. Era. Then which commit appear before? Which commit appear before? Which commit appear before? Tell me fast. Beta, okay, don't confuse. Write then read. Tell me fast. Which commit appear before? Write then read. You can see here why you fear. Here there is a write. Here there is a read. Which commit appear before? This commit. T2 commit appear before T3. Yes, it is recoverable. Is it cascadeless? Is it cascadeless? No, because here uncommitted या dirty read is there. Dirty या uncommitted read is there. Sham, you asking about the how to check recoverable or dirty. Bacha, please everyone listen. Write, then read. Then this dependent transaction commit must be delay until commit or rollback. That is the meaning of recoverable. And what is the meaning of cascadeless? What is the meaning of cascadeless? Ki no uncommitted read, no WR problem. After write there is a commit or rollback, then read is allowed. That is the meaning of cascadeless. Okay. And what is the meaning of strict recoverable? After write there must be commit or rollback, then read and write as well allowed. Otherwise not allowed. This is what strict recoverable, my dear. Strict recoverable. Clear everyone? So here देखिए schedule is strict recoverable, absolutely wrong. Not conflict, wrong. Cascadeless, no. Only my dear. A is the correct answer. A is the correct answer. Hope so you getting, tell me fast. Hope so you getting, tell me fast. Cascading rollback means what, sir? Recoverable and strict recoverable same na? No beta, wrong. G rent from Jharkhand, wrong. दूसरा point, cascading rollback is what? I told here, you can see. Cascading rollback means what? Recoverable schedule having cascading rollback. If I write on data item Q, you read. What value? This one. So here T2, T3 and T4 depends on T1. Now if here failure come, here if failure, then what happen? Rollback. So what happen if T1 fail? Then rollback, and due to dependency T2, T3 and T4 also rollback. Clear everyone? Each and every one crystal clear. That is the meaning of Arunav. Good evening beta. That is the meaning of cascading rollback beta. Cascading rollback and recoverable schedule having cascading rollback. Recoverable schedule having cascading rollback. Here there is a no cascading rollback. It is also called as cascadeless recoverable schedule. I told in the crash course also. So here only A is the correct answer. Now solve this one. Solve this one beta. Everyone solve this one. It is the MSQ. It is MSQ, my dear. Tell me fast. It is MSQ and more than maybe one correct here. Kindly let me know what is the correct answer. Tell me fast, my dear. Everyone, why today your energy level is down? Why? Mohammad Kaif, wrong. Wrong, beta. Wrong. You are not acknowledging yesterday and before yesterday, making a hearts and whatever, everything crystal clear. Today, what happened with you? Battery down. Battery down. Wrong, Komal. SIMPA, wrong. Mohammad Kaif, wrong. Gate EGCSE, wrong. Chanchal, wrong. Everyone, till now, I am not getting correct answer. I am not getting correct answer, my dear. Tell me fast. Mohammad Kaif, again wrong. Anjali Sahu, correct. Very good, beta, from MP Taj. And Anjali, I wish ki you will get the rank and throw the party in Taj Bhopal. Okay, beta, God bless. A, B and D is the correct answer. I will tell the reason also. First of all, strict recoverable schedule are free from cascading rollback. Yes, I told just before this one. Yes, recoverable schedule having this problem. Strict recoverable free from cascading rollback. A schedule is view serializable and not conflict. It is at least one blind writes. Yes. Serializability and strict recoverability ensure the correctness of the schedule. Yes. All strict recoverable schedule are serial. You can see the option. I'm taking the example each and every one. First, you can see here for a statement number 2. Statement number 2 for a option B. Read queue, write queue, write queue, write queue. When you make a order, then what happened, my dear? Why you fear? Vijay sir is here. Cycle, not conflict, but it's view serializable. It's view due to blind writes. Due to blind writes, my dear. Due to blind writes. Yes, Anjali. God bless. Each and everyone, God bless. And I wish ki those student, everyone, those are listening live or recording or not listening, each and everyone, you get every success in your life. Best of luck. There are 2% in your life. Listen, everyone. There are 2% in your life. I'm telling truth, which they want ki you will succeed more than him or her. Like I wish ki you will succeed more than me also. There are 2%, two community you can say. First one is teacher. Second one is your parents. Yes. I'm not saying, please listen the disclaimer. Don't take in other way. Ki yesterday or today you fight with your brother. Ki you are jealous with me. Vijay sir told ki only parents or teacher are the well-wisher. You are not my well-wisher. No, my dear. The meaning is ki parents wish ki because your younger brother, elder brother, it's also have some responsibilities, also have some examination of itself, also have to suffer something, also doing the struggle preparation for some exams, and your friend also doing the same. That's why, but parents and teacher wants कि आप उनसे ज्यादा सक्सेसफुल बने. Are you getting my point? Clear है? So here, due to blind writes, you can see here it is a blind writes. Blind writes means what? Write without read. Write without read. That is called blind writes. Clear, everyone? So it is okay. Serializability and strict recoverability. Okay. All strict recoverable are serial. Let's take one example. Write A, write B, write C, read D. Read D. It is strict recoverable. It is strict recoverable. Why? Because here there is a different data item. There is a different data item. Clear everyone? There is a different data item, but not serial. Not serial. Why I am giving a more and more energy? Because you are not giving the energy in chat box. That's why I am shouting. So my dear, why you fear? The answer for this question is A, B and D, because all strict recoverable are not always serial. A, B and D, and most of the student done wrong. And bacha, why I'm not taking this example? Because already I have taken cascade. Strict recoverable means already cascadeless, or if it is cascadeless, then cascading rollback problem remove. But it is asking about the strict recoverable. Yes, cascading rollback not there. Blind rights, yes, it's the case in which not conflict but view. It's a case of blind rights. You can see T2 and T3 performing blind rights. What is the meaning of blind rights? Write without read. That is called blind rights. And here you can see this is a strict recoverable. Write A, now there is a no A. Write B, there is a no B. Write C, there is a no C. Read D, there is a no D. But not serial. Now solve this one, bacha. Everyone, if you are getting na, SIMP, TICO, Shyam, Mohammad Kaif, G Rant, Anjali, everyone, when this video uploaded, give only 30 seconds, write in comment section. This is called chat, that will called comment, and was called comment. And please, yes. Dirty read, and what is the difference between dirty read and blind writes? Very good question. I am telling Sham, but yes, I know Anjali, you done it. Sham, I am telling, but you have to do also one thing for a favor. If you are getting something new here, yeah, you are getting some knowledge, write down in comment section. Not only Sham, each and everyone. Now listen, Sham is asking very good question. Ki sir, what is the difference between dirty read and blind writes? Okay, dirty read is also called as uncommitted read. First of all, uncommitted read, my dear. What is the meaning of uncommitted read? Means here T1 T2 write A, read A. This is called dirty read. Mean to say modified, yeah, update, yeah, written. Listen everyone, by one transaction, yeah, you can say dot transaction is uncommitted. Right now not committed, means uncommitted transaction. Till now not committed na. And read by another. What? Another. Read by another transaction. And here commit your rollback, no problem. But when you write that time, it was not committed, and you reading a uncommitted value. Right now it is committed here, you are reading here. This is the case of dirty read. Sham, clear? Sham, acknowledge. Everyone acknowledge, not only Sham. And what is the meaning of blind writes? Here you can see blind writes means what? Read A, write A. Here T2 and T3, Sham, T2 and T3 performing blind writes. Blind writes means what, sir? Write without reading. Write without reading is called blind writes. Like you can see T2 and T3, what they are doing? without reading the value of A, they just came and write. Like you are doing your semester examination. You not read the question properly sometimes. Whatever you know in that unit, you write. Now, let's be happy. Yes or no? Sham, crystal clear? So this is the difference. So recoverable schedule having dirty या uncommitted read, it is saying dirty read या uncommitted या WR, right read problem. Chamka everyone. Now solve this one. If you getting last one, please acknowledge everyone. Acknowledge in chat box with the help of heart symbol. Now tell me what is the answer for this one. Bachcho, are you enjoying na? Tell me fast. Very good. Crystal clear, Sham. Not clear only. Crystal clear. Gun point nahi hai beta idhar. Now here R, A, B, C. A is the primary key and S, E, F, G. E is the primary key and T, A, E, D. Here A is the primary key. A having 900 tuples and E having 700 tuple, S having 700 tuple and here 800 tuple. So you know one point. Whenever two table are joined with respect to primary key and foreign key, then table which contain the foreign key, then whenever we are joined two table, which type of join? Natural join. With respect to primary key and foreign key, then the number of tuples in the resulting relation is equal to number of tuples in the foreign key. So whenever you do join, first of all these two, how much you are getting? 800. So when you will join with this one, so R having 800 and here having 800, R having 900 and here having 800 and it table contain foreign key also. So what is the resulting relation? Again 800. Clear bacha? Clear everyone? Each and everyone crystal clear? B is the right answer. Clear hai? I told you one point, whenever two table join with respect to primary key and foreign key, then the number of resulting relation tuple equal to number of tuple in foreign key wala. So here you can see A is the foreign key for relation A, R, and E is the foreign key for relation S. And this is the foreign key for R. So when you join this one, you would getting 800. When you join with this one again, you getting 800. Clear? Anjali Sau, again I am telling, whenever two table are joined with respect to primary key and foreign key, then number of tuples in resulting relation is equal to number of tuples in foreign key wale mein. Foreign key wale relation mein. Are you getting my point? So here which table contain the foreign key? T. T table contain the foreign key. You can see one foreign key reference to the relation R and one foreign key table to the relation S. So whenever you join S, join T, how much you are getting? 700 having S and 800 having T. 800. So join of S and T will be 800. When you start the join with R having 900, but this foreign key wala containing 800. So you will get 800 is the final answer. अगर foreign key में 1000 होता, yes, if foreign key contain 1000 tuple, then you will get the 1000. You know the concept of foreign key. Foreign key में whatever value present in foreign key, that must be present in primary key. So whenever you do the join, then that tuple match with na. Clear hai Anjali Sau, Mohammad Kaif, each and everyone crystal clear? Kindly let me know. Yes, foreign key may have duplicate value, but what duplicate value? Whatever present in primary key. Let's suppose in primary key you have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tuples 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the case in foreign key? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. But whenever you do the join, then 1 is present na. Then which maximum join? Which is present in foreign key. Clear, Anjali Sahu? Anchal, crystal clear? Each and everyone crystal clear? Now solve this one. Consider it's a foreign key wala concept. Or create table department A integer, B integer, primary key A, foreign key B, reference on delete cascade. The A and B currently in the table. The tuples are currently in the table. Bachcho, I am waiting for your comments when it will be uploaded. Okay. Now tell me fast. A and B, what are the table? 0, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 3, 0, 5, 0, 7, 3, 4, 2, 6, 1. Anjali, beta, what is the concept regarding the foreign key? Please understand. Here primary key is A. Okay. And B is the foreign key. B is the foreign key referencing to the A. Mean to say whatever value present in the B na, that must be present in primary key. And foreign key may contain duplicate. You can see here duplicate hai. Yes. But that must be present in primary key. That's why whenever you do the join na, you will get maximum wala value. And which having the maximum? Primary key is a unique na. Which having the maximum common? Foreign key wala. Just tell me what is the answer for this one. Tell me beta. What is the very good, very good. कौन सा when a equal to 0? When a equal to 0 is deleted. So when a equal to 0 here and here. So what happen? You are getting 3 0, 5 0. Due to this, your primary key 3 and primary key 5 will be deleted. Now check primary key 3 is present or not. Yes. Then 7 3. Primary key 5 is present? No. Primary key 7 is present? No. So how many tuples additionally deleted? 3 tuples additionally deleted. How many tuples additionally deleted? 3 tuples additionally deleted, my dear. So what is the correct answer? 3 is the correct answer. Clear? Yes, Anjali. वो भी उस टाइप का भी कंसेप्ट मैंने आपको कराया है. Now solve this one. Solve this one, beta. Solve this one. क्या कह रहा है? There are two supply. A database consists 3 relation: supplier, parts and catalog. In supplier SID integer, SName, address. Parts में PID, PName and color. Catalog में SID, PID and cost. Consider the following query. Select C.PID from catalog C supplier S, where S.name Yosmith Sam, and beta I have taken foreign author examples exercise questions, but you are not acknowledging yaar. Josh always high. And C.SID equal to S.SID, C.SID equal to S.SID, and cost. Select C2 cost from supplier C2 and catalog C2 and supplier C2. S name is Yosmith Sam and SID will match. So what is the answer? Tell me fast. What is the right answer for this one? Tell me fast. It find the PID of the less expensive parts supplied by the supplier name Yosmith. Find the PID whose past cost is more than the parts which is not supplied by the Yosmith. Find the PID of the most expensive part supplied by the supplier name Yosmith. Find the supply PID whose parts is cost less than the parts supplied by the Yosmith. Tell me. Yes. See, very good. Very good. Why? Please try to understand. First one is saying less expensive part. Yosmith Sam say less expensive. Here you can see there is a greater than equal to sign. All operator means, let's suppose the cost is 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 5 lakh, 6 lakh, 10 lakh. So 10 lakh is the maximum na. 10 lakh is the maximum. Then which one will select? 1 से भी ज्यादा, 2 से, 3 से, 4 से, 5 से, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So greater than equal to 10 means most expensive. First, that's why it is wrong. Second, it is saying not supplied by the Yosmith. You can see here it is also supplied by the Yosmith. Equal hai. That's why it is wrong. It is saying less than. No, my dear, it is a greater than. That's why it is wrong. Now read. Find the PID of the most expensive part. Yes, inner query will give. Inner query will give, my dear. Inner query, what the inner query give? Most expensive parts. Most expensive parts supplied by Yosmith. Supplied by Yosmith. Yes या no? उससे ज्यादा. क्लियर बच्चा? ज्यादा या बराबर. PID. So here C is the correct answer for this question. Hope so you get it. Everyone chamka. Everyone tell me fast chamka. Now solve this one. Solve this one. This is also very good question. Solve this one, my dear. Why you fear Vijay sir is here? Tell me. What is saying? There are two relation. We'll take a relation. A, B, C. Will take the value 1, 2, 4. And C, D, E will take the value of 7, 8, 9. Now applying these four queries. And which of the above are equivalent? Tell me fast. This is also very good question, my dear. Also very good question. Kindly acknowledge. 1, 2, 4 you can say, and 7, 8, 9. Do it fast, everyone. Anjali, wrong. Wrong, beta. I am taking this example na. Whenever you have a query questions, take a one example, then solve it, my dear. Take it, please. Tell me fast. Yes, everyone. Everyone. Tell me fast. What is the correct answer? Mohammad Kaif. What is the correct answer? Do it. बाकी सारे पता थे आपको? आंसर की थी आपके पास? You have answer key? Now please solve it. I have given the example na. You just applied on this example, whatever value I have taken. Okay. I have taken this example. A value relation R. This one is the relation R. This one is the relation S. In S C equal to 7, I have taken that value. Now you will do. What happen? What you will get? देखिए, here first of all, whenever you join, then what you get? what you get? Nothing is common na, C value is 4, here 7, you will get empty because no common value. In a first table you will get empty. In a second you will get C equal to 7, so C equal to 7 is 7, 8, 9, that will be multiplied by this one. So what you get? What you get, my dear? 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 9. C equal to 7 you fetch 7, 8, 9, and it is multi cross product of relation R 1 to 4, and what you have to fetch? AE. This is A, B, C, C, D, E. So when you fetch AE, what you will get? 1, 9 as a output. 1, 9 as a output. Clear everyone? Now let's see third one. C equal to 7. There is a no tuple. You will get 5. C equal to 7 E. 5 into 9 you will get empty, because in a cross product if any one table is empty then output will be empty. You know it very well. Here C equal to 7, again you will get empty. Empty into something something, you will get empty, my dear. So what you are getting? First, third and fourth, my dear. First, third and fourth, my dear. So what is the correct answer? A, C and D, my dear. Crystal clear everyone? Each and every one? हुए थे थोड़ा. I'm not telling lie, हुए थे. Yes. Cause हो गए थे सब. Clear everyone? A, C and D. Now solve this one. Solve this one everyone. Please do it fast. Do it fast. You know beta what? Order of leaf node. In a leaf node what happen? P minus 1 keys. P minus 1 read pointer and only one block pointer less than equal to block size. Now put the value and tell me the answer. Tell me the answer for this one beta. You do it this one. Everyone. Do it. Here key is how much? Key 12 byte. Record pointer 10 byte. Block pointer 8 byte. Block size 1024 byte. Solve please everyone. P minus 1 key. Yes. P minus 1 key size is 12. P minus 1 read pointer size is 10. One block pointer is 8 less than equal to 1024 byte. So 12P minus 12 plus 10P minus 10 plus 8 less than equal to 1024 byte. 12 plus 10 22. 22 minus 10. How much we are getting? Solve please. Minus 12 minus 10 minus 22. You can see minus 2 minus 14. 1024. 22P equal to 1038. P equal to 1038 divided by 22. Floor value 47 point something something. You will get 47. You will get 47. And if you take the order of key is P, then you have to subtract minus 1 in the last. Are you getting what I am saying? Sometime you will get this type of value also. So here B is the right answer, my dear student. B is the right answer, my dear student. 47 is the right answer. Beta, in this we have to take ceiling or floor function. Now why floor, sir? Why floor? I'm telling one thing. Please, whenever it is a unspent, then we have to take floor. Why? I told the reason, because partial is not allowed. Here, sir, why is floor? Just feel it. Please listen. Whatever thing that will be fit into one block, whatever thing that will be fit into one block. Mean to say, if you take here ceiling, then what you are getting? 48. Whenever you insert 48 in this, then you are not able to accommodate in a one block. समझना अंजलि, please try to understand, feel it कि all these things, like this is a one room, this is the one room size, so these are the components. If you take here ceiling, then what happen? Whatever this data you will come na, that will come big from this room. You can't accommodate in one disk block. So all of these things you have to accommodate in one disk block, one block which having a size of 102 byte. If you take here ceiling 48, then you put the value of 48, you are getting greater than the block size. That means you are not able to accommodate all these of order P wala data in one block. Clear everyone? Clear? Clear? No, that is not the correct example. आ जाएगा वो तो, that is not the correct example, but you can understand this form कि block size, like you can understand in a 1 liter of bottle you can fill only 1 liter ना, you can see in this manner. You can't take the bag example, bag में तो you can fill ना, in a 1 liter of liquid bottle, this is the bottle of 1 liter. Try to understand, this is the bottle of 1 liter. I complete, this is the second bottle, I finish one because so thirsty. So this is the bottle of 1 liter, let us assume. So I can fill only 1 liter water na. If I take the order of P ceiling, then what happen? I will get more than 1 liter liquid. So that is not fit in this block bottle. Clear Anjali? Clear beta? Each and everyone crystal clear? Tell me fast. Everyone, if yes till now getting each and everything, kindly write down in chat box. So it is about the DBMS. Whatever question I will not take, whatever question I have not taken in Super 30, different combination I have taken here. And if you really like it, first of all write down in chat box. If any doubt you can ask. Otherwise, when this video upload, means offline in comment section, I'm waiting for your comments also. Okay, so hope so you get it each and everything. So thank you everyone, thank you and God bless. We will meet on Monday Maha revision, in which I will not discuss the question. I will thoroughly, completely revise DBMS from the basic to last. Each and every chapter I will revise, and it will be not only 2 hour session or 3 hours, it will be long session. So be ready for this session. Right now no need to do the DBMS revision, I will take care for this one. Okay bacha, you will do some other subject, aptitude, math and remaining subjects. I will take care for your DBMS revision. No, I'm taking DBMS and COA, my dear. Okay, so thank you everyone once again, best of luck. We will meet at 23rd Jan 7 PM on your YouTube channel. Okay, thank you everyone, thank you, God bless you, and I'm waiting for your comments also. Yes, acknowledge everyone, you enjoy this session, acknowledge you enjoy.